Hello, welcome to Homesteading Northwest Florida. Today is Sunday, April 20th, 2025. Happy Easter. It is Easter Day. Has not rained here in like 3 weeks, it seems like. Don't really know how much. Last time we got 8 inches of rain. So I think it was April 4th. So it's been a while, a couple weeks. It is 82 degrees, it says on our reconstructed thermometer. We got lettuces bolting because it's pretty hot every day, and 60s at night. And yep, we got lettuce, tropical gardenia, lettuce. But what we're doing today is I have these old cement blocks. And I think they're heavier than regular cement blocks, the new ones that have the 2 holes. But we are kind of reclaiming these. So how I do it here, with gloves on usually, but I won't, is I take a chisel and I get off all the over cement. I got these like 6 years ago. I wanted regular bricks from a house that they were redoing down the street, but this was from an old garage, I think. Must be very old. But, yeah, I've been chipping off the old, what you call it here. Oh, that's good. That's perfect. I actually leave a lot of it if it's at the bottom. Makes it harder to level, but it makes the cement block heavier and more solid into the ground. So we got this many. This should be maybe enough to finish the sawmill base. And I like to choose the ones that are flat on the top instead of, some of them are really bad. They got the edges broken off, like that one right there I might not use. But reclaimed blocks is what I'm using. And I may try some like dirt concrete around these blocks. But we're getting a little somewhere now that I know what I'm doing. A little bit more. And we uncovered this area here. We're going to do some concrete there eventually. And we're digging these cement blocks into the ground for the sawmill base. And we had to get like a 4-foot level. I didn't have one of those at Ace Hardware. And this is what we're shooting for. And it takes quite a while. But then we're going to use masonry drill and drill into these blocks. See, I have some markings there. We're going to drill into these blocks and put anchors that I had into the blocks, into the 2x6 and then into the blocks. So it's all going to be anchored together. We got 2 more sections to do. This pretty much overlaps here, so we got about 6-8 bricks to do. That's pretty low down at that end, so we're gonna see if I need to add a half a brick or what I need to do, or put 2 bricks at the end there and some concrete, cement, or what I gotta do. But now that I got out my 16-inch level and got a 4-foot level, the 16-inch, that's how long these old cement blocks are. I don't even know how long these other ones are. But, yep. And we ordered some new bubbles for our levels here. Turned a weird color, and we're picking out glass still out of the ground here. Got a whole container there, and more containers, but this is what we're shooting for, and this should be solid enough. I might pack like concrete, dirt, water mix around these blocks once I really know what I'm doing here. Here's a little piece of glass. Been picking up glass as I see it. Man, there was a lot of people breaking glass around here for many years. Old building. And we've been filling in with some of the soil and making this more level and, you know, leveling out these blocks every which way and digging them in, and that should work. Should be a solid base for the Woodland Mills HM 122, the smallest one they got. So we'll see how it goes, but and then what you have to do too is why these blocks are a different orientation than the other is you have to watch out where these log stops go. And you know, I would have had 2 bricks there and then 2 bricks there, but now I'm just having the 2, and because that log stop has got to drop down. So that's the scoops. And we just have been picking up a lot of rubbish over here, sticks that are not decomposing, and we laid down a lot of dirt here, but we're picking out most of it and picking out the grass and stuff like that, and I don't really know how any grass can get established with how dry it is here. But at least I can work on this, you know, that it's not raining constantly. So, alright, thanks for watching. Sawmill base out of old. Now, you know, I don't think the new ones would actually probably work unless you put a cap at the top, but these should work for this application. Thanks for watching.